Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Madam Shuhada. We are from Group 4 and today we would like to presenting about our research methodology assignment. But before we're going to present, I would like to introduce to you our group members. From ladies, we have Adeline, Hanan and Shafia. Meanwhile, from gentlemen, we have Izan, Faizul and Aisa.
So our topic for research is online shopping behavior of Malaysian shopper on TikTok Shop and Shopee. So this is our list of content for our presentation today. We are going to explain from chapter 1 until chapter 5.
In these issues, we want to present based on the topic online behavior and spending pattern of Malaysian shoppers of TikTok Shop and Shopee, addressing three key problem statements, which is culture, perceived convenience and perceived trust. We also pose two research questions. Firstly, does trend, price and save time contribute to online shopping? And secondly, which platform is TikTok Shop or Shopee is most preferable in online shopping? And the last point is our research objective. Also first, to identify factors contributing to behaviors spending on online shopping, and second, to study the preference of shopping platform, which is TikTok Shop and Shopee. Third, a comprehensive methodology questionnaire. We aim to provide valuable insight into the dynamic of online shopping in Malaysia, benefiting businesses and consumers alike.
Next, for Chapter 2, Conceptual Framework. A conceptual framework means combining many ideas to comprehend the relationship between the independent variable and the dependent variable. We can see that the factors which are cultural, perceived convenience, and perceived trust are independent variable. And for dependent variable, online shopping behavior. So we want to see if those factors influence or not consumer to shop online. And also, the researcher will investigate whether users of Shopee and TikTok Shop find difficulties and mistrust when utilizing the platform through this process.
Okay, now I will explain about the chapter 3 is methodology. Methodology is focused on specific procedure for collecting and analyzing data. It addresses the generation and analysis of data, providing a detailed plan for researchers and contribute to smoother, effective and manageable work. The method used throughout study are discussed in this chapter. In order to get great outcomes, the methodology should be tested first. It is very important to ensure the accuracy of the result because the analysis result depend on the methods used in the testing process. Then it will be able to measure the analysis toward the purpose and achieve the objective of the study. This section will discuss research design, instrument, data analysis, population and sampling data. This study used a survey process and distribute questionnaire to analyze respondent demographic, personal behavior and shopping preference. Instrument include statement and option on a Likert scale 1 to 5, like 1 is strongly disagree and 5 is strongly agree, and close-ended question with multiple choice. The Likert scale help respondent answer question clearly. The questionnaire consists of the three sections, like section A is demographic profile, and section B, behavior and preference, shopping online, and section C is cultural, convenience, and trust. For the research design, we propose analyze the hypothesis between IV and DV. The second is quantitative approach, and the third, casual and explanatory research, and lastly, sample of 81 randomly distributed. This study will apply a non-probability sample. The sample unit will select through convenient sampling techniques, which are based on the convenience of the researcher, like neighbors, friend, family, or relative. The target will focus only on the e-commerce consumer population, meanwhile sample are from Shopee and TikTok consumer. For data analysis, our respondent question and answer using the SPSS technique or software.
Okay, next, for the chapter 4, results and findings for the reliability analysis. So, as we can see in the table, all variables include online shopping behavior, cultural, convenience, and trust. So, I want to summarize what analysis I got from the data of 81 respondents from the study about online shopping behavior among Malaysian shoppers on TikTok Shop and Shopee platforms. Furthermore, the reliability assessment findings for each variable determined by Chromebus Alpha are displayed in the table. So, by comparing the share variance or covariance between the items that make up an instrument and the total variance, Chromebus Alpha can be used to evaluate the reliability of a measure. It quantifies the level of agreement on a standardized of Chromebus Alpha is 0 until 1, where below 0.7 is poor. So, the first variable is a dependent variable of online shopping behavior with an excellent point of 0.9 for Chromebus Alpha, which means the dependent variable is significantly improved. However, the reliability assessments of the independent variable for cultural factors with a Chromebus Alpha of 0.7 is acceptable. For the perceived convenience, Chromebus Alpha stated 0.8 with a very good status between the two independent variables. The final level, 0.7 for perceived trust, shown in the preceding table, is acceptable. In conclusion, all the variables mentioned above are approved since their report Chromebus Alpha values are higher than the acceptable threshold of 0.6.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adeline and my metric number is 1212643. So I would like to continue about our result and finding. So for hypothesis, we actually have three factors leading to three hypotheses. First hypothesis is about the cultural, second hypothesis about the perceived convenience, and the third hypothesis about the perceived trust. Okay, based on the table here, only two factors that are significant to the topic related, which is a perceived convenience and perceived trust, because the significant level were lower than 0.05, and the from finding that we have used from SPSS shown that result of factors on cultural is not significant to our research question number 1, because the significant level is above 0.05, which is 0.955. So the cultural factor was rejected. Meanwhile, the perceived convenience and perceived trust hypotheses were accepted.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hanafina with Mama Amin. My matrix number 1212619. So I will explain about chapter 5 conclusion. So in the conclusion, the analysis are which is we have a three factor: perceived trust, perceived convenience, and culture, which is the factor to infect about a customer behavior on TikTok and Shopee. So however, the researcher indicate there has just two factor, which is a perceived convenience and perceived trust that contribute in the study. But for the culture, is not more impacted by the culture consideration. So the overall of the study, I believe that the biggest factor that contribute for the study, which is perceived convenience, because these are result when people are buying on the online Shopee, on the TikTok and the Shopee, they have a like ability that to make people or customer to buy it, which is easy to find, and also purchase the required good in the on time. So that's all from us. Thank you.